On the MakeCode Minute, what I wanted to show is how you can use the run in parallel blocks in order to have multiple events that include timing, sensitive timing with pauses to run at the same time without conflicting with each other. This is something I run into a lot in sort of all microcontroller programming, is I want a couple things to happen at the same time. I don't want one to wait for the other. This is a really elegant way to do it. So first of all, you'll notice I have this control section in the advanced section, and in here lives this run in parallel block. So that's what I'm using. That's the secret sauce here. Then I have it set up so that when I press button A, it's going to run both of these blocks at the same time. So the play melody, which is going to just boo doo 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 doo, and it's going to require particular timing to play those notes at tempo. As well as running a little NeoPixel animation, which again has sensitive timing. So check it out. You can see it happening here. So that works really well. What I wanted to do though with the B button here is demonstrate a slightly more challenging example. And in this one, what I'm going to do is same sort of thing. I'm going to run a descending melody. I'm going to run a different animation. But then you'll see I've got this pause block. So what's going to happen is when I press the button, it's going to start counting that pause, 1 second pause. But it's not going to wait on that pause to do the things that are in the run parallel block. So the melody will play, the animation will play, all the while there's a separate process that's counting down 1 second, at which point, after 1 second, it's going to turn on my little red indicator LED, it's going to play a high-pitched tone, and then 200 milliseconds later, it'll turn off that LED. So watch this. So I find that to be really fantastic. It solves a problem that you run into a lot when you try to do slightly sophisticated things with timing, and that is the run in parallel block inside of MakeCode. And so that is your MakeCode Minute.